Rare. I don't know. How does the dog voice sound like? Rare, 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 rare. Ooh, tea. Spill it, sis. Sorry, that's so weird. Sorry, this is so funny. Every time I do it, I'm normal, guys. I'm sorry. I don't know. Okay, I could be like, hey guys, this is my cat. Say hi, and I could just be like, I don't know if people would know. Like my cat when she pees in the bathroom next to this. This is my cat, Boogie, Boogie Woogie. I actually did a stream where I just. You howled your sister. Oh my god, no, I remember somebody was watching my live stream and I was meowing and somebody said that they were unmuted when my stream was playing. I felt so bad for them. I could imagine just having these meows. Okay, we got a horse. Let's try it. Sorry, I'm so cringy. That sounds like a sheep. I don't know who's like a goose. A domestic pig. Oink, oink, oink. I'm sorry, I'm just embarrassing myself right now and it's very cringy. A dog. I'm sorry, this is so cringy for me. A duck. Quack, 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 quack. I don't know what that was. A goat. That's a goose. The sheep. I'm sorry, I can't stop laughing at myself. This is just so bad. How do ants sound? What the heck? A falcon. Caw-caw! Caw-caw! Making animal noises. Oh, that could be a video. A gorilla. I'm sorry. I'm good. In 5 minutes I'm gonna end this stream. Camels. I don't know. A chicken. An elephant. I don't know how to do that noise. Bears. Okay, I got this. A wolf? Okay. I don't want to howl because I'm going to be too loud. I'm like, oh my god. Oh my god. I don't think. An alligator. I don't know. A kangaroo. I know. Oh, they have a great noise. I forgot it's because they're like. Wait, I forget what's it called. Kangaroo sound.